In a year with less, we found ways to add more. We added new skills. At least we tried our best. We added color. By adding, we made life feel like a little more. What will you add next?
Assalamualaikum, my name is SOFEA, and as for today, my group and I will be presenting our knowledge management contribution towards profit and productivity of online business, a case study of Lazada. What is Lazada? Lazada is known as one of the superior e-commerce websites that helps people to buy and to sell. All of these activities only utilize the internet as their platform, which then helps people to save time and money. It is led by Lucy Pang and it was established in 2012. In the year of 2021, Lazada celebrated its 10-year anniversary, and it is stated that a total of 455,000 users have downloaded their mobile application in the Apple Store with the widest range of brands as well as suppliers. Additionally, Lazada has also got a rating of 4.7 stars compared to a 4.2 rating of stars back in 2017. Apparently, Lazada's organizations involves a lot of knowledge management elements, as these organizations uses people or their consumers to build their unique system. A good utilization of knowledge management will determine Lazada's success.
Next, the implementation that Lazada does to ensure that it leads to profit through their knowledge management is that they will focus on Lazada Logistics. This is because Lazada is a business system that produces service using services through trade. So that is why the way they do to ensure their profit return increase by keeping all the inflows and outflows of Mercedes are not too long in the logistic department. The better the quality of their service, the more customer will use their service. Their logistics need to be at a fast service level. Lazada has also introduced several other facilities to their customers in the logistic management system. Among them are Logistic LEL and Lazada Express LEX. LEL or e-logistics service is in charge of warehousing and logistics in collaboration with other logistics service providers, while LEX or Lazada Express aim to be in charge of parcel delivery to client. Customer can trace their item by simply using the tracking number provided by the seller under Lazada. So through this, customer can find out the level of service speed from them and at the same time can provide the service usage rate from Lazada.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURIN AFRINA binti SHAMSUL, and I will continue with the implementation of knowledge management. It is on the advanced online marketing strategy. Here, Lazada improved its online platform by invest on search engine optimization (SEO), which ranks the product in the search result based on the relevant search keywords, and search engine marketing (SEM), which known as advertisement that will appear in order to attract the customer.
Next is communicate and share knowledge with all mechanism. Lazada interact and share knowledge with their teams through live streaming and for all hands meetings, management meetings, and project discussions using platforms like Alilang and DingTalk. It is crucial to make sure vital messages and knowledge are consistently transmitted to the rest of their teams. Lazada also leverage a lot of domain knowledge from Alibaba to help them develop their e-commerce into a more mature structure.
Next, the evolution of knowledge management implementation conducted by Lazada is also through the introduction of multi-channel logistics (MCL). This is a mobilization of Lazada as one that can be said to be a great innovation for their achievement and the entire Lazada branch, apart from Malaysia as well. What is a function? It works in Lazada as an alternative from them, aims to assist e-commerce service providers and businesses in successfully meeting the needs of e-commerce sales. Regardless of whether customer make use of service from Lazada directly or not, they will assist in a smooth fulfillment of each other's logistic services. Even Lazada will also store the product of merchants and e-commerce partner. The goal is to successfully manage the logistic and distribution of others, whether they are delivered by Lazada partner transport firm or by agent. The introduction of Lazada over MCL at least shows a sophisticated supply chain architecture. This MCL also focuses on evaluation in terms of reduced costly logistic concerns and operating costs in warehouse management, which helps brands and sellers save on their cost of expanding their networks. This is a useful and helpful way for customers as well as small traders who are under them. If in this way, customers are small trader will be satisfied with them and at the same time set the use on them.
The evaluation of knowledge management is Lazada Wallet. Lazada Wallet is convenient as it smoothens the process and user's experience. It ensures the security and safety when doing transaction and stability of the payment system, especially during shopping festival like the sale of 11/11 and 12/12.
Next is able to adapt with the environment changes. Lazada diversify in implementing the knowledge management by currently hiring around 9,000 people from 50 different countries. Lazada collect many ideas from the hired young people in Southeast Asia and then disperse and implement the ideas and knowledge into Lazada.
Next, the challenge. There are several challenges faced by Lazada in ensuring that all planning, plan and carry out runs smoothly, especially related to the process of managing the goods in the logistic warehouse. What makes the challenge for them is when the issue involving the detailed structuring of their operation towards digitalization on the instruction of the Malaysia Investment Development Authority (MIDA). They issue this statement which hope those in the e-commerce and e-harvesting sector play a greater role to increase profit given by them, even though the country is now in the MCO phase. This is what lead to their challenge as a leading company running this business because of this pandemic season. Malaysia are advised to stay at home and carry out daily routine only in online. Many of them use Lazada services to make purchases online. So, they must ensure that this strategic arrangement in their logistic division is always controlled and moving fast. They should strive to ensure that their branding planning for Lazada logistic remains useful without any flaws that bring problem to the international trade process.
Next, the challenges of the implementation of knowledge management is to adapting to the changes in customer demand, like to deal with the customer demand on fresh food. During the current situation, the people tend to buy online, which make Lazada hard to settle it, as the fresh food will be easily damaged and no longer fresh.
Next is COVID-19 impact the productivity of Lazada. The COVID-19 affect entire environment functions in many of the countries where Lazada operates. Lazada ensure to manage during pandemic in working together to meet their customers' demand and ensure their business is sound. Therefore, they use technology for the organization to be efficient, effective and could comprehend any challenges with the knowledge that they already created and shared among themselves.
Next, we will be focusing on the suggestions for Lazada to improve their performance. The first suggestion for Lazada is to improve their mobile application. Nowadays, almost all people all over the world own at least one gadget per person. This situation shows that everyone has the chance to buy or to sell products online. Lazada's mobile application needs to increase their level of user-friendliness system as it will attract more consumers. Some of these consumers are not familiar with online shopping, so a user-friendly application makes them feel welcome to shop on the platform. Additionally, Lazada's mobile applications needs to be improved in detecting fake products in order to deliver only the best and original products for all. This will then improve Lazada's productivity and will lead to increase of profit. Next, every e-commerce platform has their very own chatbots that will assist its consumers at any time, which means it is working 24/7. Lazada's employees are not available after working hours, so these chatbots will be taking the responsibility of assisting these consumers or sellers. Therefore, Lazada needs to upgrade their chatbots in order to give the best service to all Lazada's consumers. Lazada could make a questionnaire for all of their consumers to participate, and gifts should be prepared for those who answered the questionnaire. As a result, these chatbots could be solving a variety of cases or problems from these consumers.
The next suggestion is upgrade the live streaming function, which is make it more simple and easy to access. Lazada has introduced a new update to the application, namely Lazada Live Streaming, known as Last Live, and have been introduced in year 2018. The idea of Last Live comes from the main company, which is Alibaba. Even though Lazada have created this feature first, but why Shopee more popular among the customer rather than Lazada? It can be seen by the view of each company. Lazada gained 27 million views with Last Live, but Shopee Live gained around 450 million of views. This can be related with the live feature that Lazada have. Lazada process more complicated, where the seller need to send a Lazada their trial video or known as audition video before they can go in live with Last Live. Obviously, here people can see that the steps in the Lazada application are quite burdensome for the seller, and the main reason why Lazada view is less is compared with Shopee. By easing this process can increase user or seller to use the application and can make Lazada application more used by user in Southeast Asia country. According to Statista, has proved that Shopee have more visitors rather than Lazada. In conclusion, it can be seen that knowledge management is really important for one company if one to gain more profit and stay productive. As stated in discussion, there is some knowledge management that has been practiced by Lazada to be one of the successful and largest e-commerce in Southeast Asia. Besides, we also have discussed the evaluation of implementation of knowledge management in their organization, the challenges, and also some suggestions that we provide based on the research and comparison with the competitor to be better in future. That's all from us. Thank you.